comparison of two states of a bacterial ribosome, either with the initiator FMET tRNA bound or with elongation factor EFG bound, reveals the significant conformational changes that the ribosome is thought to undergo during each elongation cycle. The ratchet-like rearrangements at the interface between the two ribosomal subunits may help move the mRNA and tRNAs through the ribosome during protein synthesis. The models shown here are a computer reconstruction made from many thousands of images of single ribosomes in vitreous ice that were observed with an electron microscope.